So as you can see, this section's much like the section we had on multiplying and dividing rational expressions. We're just getting more practice. That's what it's boiling down to here. Okay, let's take a look at another one. 2 plus 4 over x, and that's going to be all over 1 plus 2 over x. So the first thing we're going to want to do here is we want to get this all into be one single fraction. Okay, so that's the first thing we want to do. And then we do the bottom. All right, so let's just do that. We'll work on that over here to the right. So we have 2 over 1. We need a common denominator. So I'm going to write 2 times x over x plus 4 over x. Now we have common denominator. So we just add the numerators, 2x plus 4 over x. Okay, so that takes care of the numerator in this problem. Now let's take a look at, let's see, this one here. And what do we got? We'll just write it right here. We need to write 1 times x over x plus 2 over x is equal to x plus 2 over x. So there you go. We now have both our numerator and denominator. Okay, so let's find somewhere to write this. I've gotten a little sloppy on this problem. Okay, so we're going to write, tell you what, I'm going to scroll down the screen here a little bit, and we'll just do it right here. How's that? So we have 2x plus 4 over x. That's going to be multiplied by, it's going to be multiplied by something. We're going to be flipping this, okay? So that becomes x over x plus 2, x over x plus 2. Now let's take notice here of this 2 and this 4. We can actually factor that 2 out. We can factor the 2 out. But also notice we have an x down here in the denominator and x in the numerator, so those are going to cancel out. So what we're going to do here is let's just rewrite. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and factor that out. So we have x plus 2, 2 times x plus 2, over x plus 2. And now you can see we can cancel those out also. And so this problem, did I just work the same? Did I just work this problem? What's going on here? What is going on? I thought I worked a problem. Huh. How bizarre, I didn't even realize it. Anyway. Well, I don't mean to use red. Looks like this problem also simplifies down to 2. So 2 must be the answer to the universe. I don't know. We got time to work another one? Yeah, let's go ahead and work one more here. 5x. You know, 2 is a special number. First off, it's an even number. What else is the deal with 2? I'm trying to remember. Oh, I think it's prime. Yeah. Okay, 2 over y. And that's all over x minus 1. So let's take care of this numerator first. Okay. And we'll just do that right over here. So 5 over x times, we got to get this common denominator, so we have a y. We're going to write a y over y because we got a y over here. Minus 2 over y times x over x. Okay. So now we can bring that together. That's just 5y minus 2x over xy over xy. Alright, so that takes care of this numerator. So let's go ahead now and rewrite this as 5y minus 2x over xy times, right, so we're going to bring this to the right. We got to flip it, but we got to remember this is x minus 1 over 1. Okay, so when we flip it, it becomes 1 over x minus 1. All right, 1 over x minus 1. Okay. Well, as you can see here, we don't really have anything that we can cancel out or factor any of that. So we're just going to rewrite it as 5y minus 2x over x times y. Let's put a parentheses here. X minus 1 over x minus 1. Let me go ahead and highlight this. Right, so here's our final answer after we simplify it down. All right. Okay. See you there in the next problem.